Good morning, dear children. This is your maths teacher. Now take out your maths copy, maths textbook, and open page number 18. So, dear children, how much can you carry? So, for understanding this lesson, I will show you some pictures so that you can know about how much can you carry. So, how much can you carry is nothing but the heavier and लाइटर. ओके, दैट मीन्स हल्का और भारी. ठीक है, ये जो है हल्का और भारी कंसेप्ट जो है हम इस लेसन में पढ़ेंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल टेबल जो होता है वो भारी होता है. ठीक है, लेकिन जो वाटर बैग है वो कैसी होगी, हल्की होगी. बेड जो होता है वो भारी होता है, पर चेयर जो होता है वो कैसे होता है, हल्का होता है. ठीक है, सो हाउ मच कैन यू कैरी. आप जो है बेड उठा सकते हो क्या, नहीं, बट आप चेयर या फिर टेबल उठा सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि टेबल और चेयर जो है वो हल्की होती है और बेड जो होता है वो भारी होता है, इसलिए आप उसको नहीं उठा सकते. तो यही हम इस लेसन में पढ़ने वाले हैं कि हल्का और भारी को कैसे पहचानें. इसके लिए आई विल शो यू सम स्लाइड्स फॉर दिस. So dear children, this is one man who is carrying a load, who is carrying a sack. Okay, this is a man who is carrying a sack. So because because the sack is heavier, okay, but the man or your father can carry this sack. Okay, because he is the strongest, because the man is strong, that's why he can easily carry this sack. Okay, but what about these children? Can you see this is a little girl but cannot carry this sack. Okay, why she is unable to carry this sack? Because the girl is lighter. Okay, and also the girl is smaller, so that's why she cannot carry this sack. Okay, now look at this picture. Here you can see the two boys. One cannot carry the sack, but he can easily carry the small bag. So why he can easily carry the small bag? Because the small bag is लाइटर. लाइटर मीन्स हल्की. वो जो बैग है जो ये बच्चा कैरी कर रहा है ये हल्की है, इसलिए वो उसको उठा पा रहा है. बट ये जो सैक है वो काफ़ी भारी है, सो ये बच्चा जो है उसको नहीं उठा पा रहा है. बिकॉज द सैक इज हैवियर. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट्स वाई दिस बॉय इज अनेबल टू कैरी द सैक. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक अ लुक at this picture. What we have seen there is one honeybee and there is one dog. Okay, they are playing seesaw. What they are playing? I think seesaw. Okay, so in this seesaw, let's see what happened next. So see, in this picture you can see the puppy is, you can see in this picture the puppy is heavier. Okay, the puppy is heavy, so he comes down to the seesaw, but the honeybee is very light, so he goes up. Okay, you can see this dog goes down while this honeybee goes up, because the honeybee is very lightweighted, and while the dog is very heavy. Understood? Now let's look at this. Now what happening? Girl is sitting here and dog is sitting here. So you can see that the girl is going down while the dog is going up, because the girl is heavy while the dog is light as compared to the girl. जो पपी है वो गर्ल से हल्का है, इसलिए वो ऊपर चले गया. Now look at this picture. You can see the sack is heavy while the leaf and the small tree is light. Okay, let's do some activity with at your home. एक activity करते हैं, आप अपने घर पे भी कर सकते हो. Now just take one shirt, okay, dry shirt of yours, and now dip it fully in water. What you have to do, you have to just dip it fully inside the water. So dip it fully inside the water. What you will observe? You observe that shirt is getting heavy. Okay, can you find out why it is getting heavy? Because the shirt absorbs water, okay, and it becomes heavy. Okay, so now look at this picture. Who is the strongest and who is the heavier and who is the lighter? Yes, this pumpkin is heavier and this lemon is lighter. In this picture you can see the leaf is lighter and the wood is heavier, so that's why wood coming down and leaf is going upside. Look at this picture. You can see the bucket is heavier while the glass is lighter. Now look at this picture. You can see the bag is lighter and the sack is heavier. See, the bag is lighter and the sack is heavier. Okay. So dear children, from that slide I have shown you, I hope you will understand the whole idea about the strongest and heaviest or lighter. Okay, so that we can easily understand this lesson. So we will start this lesson and in details tomorrow. So for today it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.